Hello everyone, I am Rudra Pratap Singh Chauhan, and in this video I would like to explain some of the questions of data structure of Capgemini examination. So let's see. And here is our first question. So the question is, what do we call the highest element of arrays index? And the options are upper bound, lower bound, range and extraction. So we know that the answer is upper bound. And the next question is, what do we call binary tree nodes with no successors? And the options are AND nodes, terminal nodes, last nodes and final nodes. So we know that the answer is terminal nodes, which are the last nodes of the tree, of any tree. And the next question is, in the linked list the memory is allocated from? And the answer is heap area. Fibonacci search follows which of the following approach? Fibonacci search follows which of the following approach? So answer is divide and conquer rule. Which of the following operations is possible on an array? So insertion is possible, searching is possible and sorting is also possible. So the answer of this question is all of the mentioned options. Option number D. And the next question is, in an AVL tree, what is the lower limit of balanced tree? So we know that the answer is -1 because it is the lower limit of any balanced tree. And the next question is, identify the non-linear data structure from the list. So stack is linear data structure, queue is also linear, array is linear, and the answer is tree, which is non-linear data structure. Which of the following algorithm does not divide the list? And the options are linear search, merge sort, quick sort and binary search. And if you are familiar with algorithm of searching and sorting, then you will get the final answer. So the answer is linear search. And the next question is, the data structure required for breadth first traversal on the graph is? And the options are queue, stack, array and tree. So answer of this question is, guess what? Queue. So this is our answer. Which is not a criteria of algorithm. And the options are input, output, time complexity and best case. Answer is best case. And our last question is, Prim's algorithm is based on which method? And the options are divide and conquer method, dynamic programming, greedy method, branch and bound. So answer of this question is greedy method. Thank you.